Do you ever wonder why different cars cost you different amounts for auto insurance premiums? Why is it that a new Corvette may cost you $1,600 a month in auto insurance and an older Buick Regal may only cost you $90 per month? The new car insurance cost versus the old car insurance cost is a subject that you must review before you buy any car. Review insurance costs before you buy and you will not get caught in a financial trap. New cars cost more to insure than old cars for 3 reasons. First, an auto theft of a new and exotic car costs much more than the auto theft of an older and average style car. This is because of the large value difference of the new car versus old car. For example, a new Chevy Caprice is much more costly to insure than an older Chevy Caprice. It simply costs more money to replace a new, expensive car than an older, less expensive car. Second, the cost to repair a new car is much more than the cost to repair an old car. As such, this fact shall also increase your insurance premium cost for a new car. For example, if a new Chevy Caprice is damaged in an accident, the auto repair shop will charge you much more money for repairs than if the subject car were a 10-year-old Chevy Caprice. For this reason, your insurer will charge you much more insurance premiums on a new vehicle than an older vehicle because of such repair costs. Third, the style and type of car also shall greatly affect the cost of automobile insurance premiums that your car insurance company will charge you. Insurance companies use actuarial statistic tables which show them the past loss experience on particular styles and types of cars. They use these tables to help calculate what premiums to charge their customers in the future. Statistical tables show these insurance companies that owners of certain styles and types of cars, such as sports cars, engage in more risky driving behavior than owners of cars that are of average type and style. For example, insurance company statistical tables show that the insurer has experienced more losses with sports cars than with average cars. It is because the owner of a Corvette will probably drive such car faster and riskier than the owner of a Toyota Camry. With such speed and risk also comes along more losses for the insurance companies. With such risk and loss increase, the insurance company must then increase their return and charge more for auto insurance premiums. Another example of how the type and style of vehicle may present an insurance company with more risk is the off-road style vehicles such as the Hummer line of vehicles. These vehicles are designed to perform in the off-road type environment. They are raised up off the ground more than regular automobiles for undercarriage clearance. Additionally, they also have four-wheel drive capability. With such design capabilities, the statistical tables show that the insurance company has experienced more losses with these types of cars than regular cars. This is because the owners of such vehicles will engage in off-road driving, which is both risky to the vehicle and driver. In fact, some insurance companies may bar recovery for such damages when the owner of the insured vehicle was damaged while engaging in risky off-road driving. Again, with more risk, the insurance company will increase return and thus auto insurance premiums. Now that you know that certain styles and types of cars cost more to insure than others, you have to be smart about what kind of vehicle you are going to buy. Rather than take a guess at what you believe the vehicle's insurance costs are, call your car insurance company and ask your insurance agent for a free car insurance quote for the exact type of vehicle that you are interested in buying. You can get the definitive answer to your question of whether or not you can afford both the car and the insurance premiums required to cover your car against insured losses. The time to make such assessment is not after you purchase a vehicle. At that point in time, it is too late. The time to make such assessment is way in advance of your purchasing an automobile. You definitely want to be able to make both car payments as well as insurance premium payments. Get the free auto insurance quote ahead of time and avoid financial problems.